What's up, queens and kings? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Here at Queen Budgets, we are tackling all things financial, from budgeting by paycheck, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, debt payoff, while currently on a low income and a single mom of 3. So if that sounds like something that would interest you, I invite you to hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification. Go ahead and join the Shmoney team, because baby, we over here lit and we getting our shmoney together. Okay, what's up, queens and kings? Let me just tell y'all, today is one of those days we got to bust out with the sage, y'all. We got to bust it on out, okay? I ain't done this in a long time, okay? We just gonna burn it up and we're gonna let it go up in smoke, baby, okay? It's Monday, baby, but okay, I'm sure I'm not the only one that didn't had a rough week already and it's only Monday. We're gonna sit this over to the side right here, right sure, okay? And we're gonna come through with some affirmators, you know what I'm saying? I feel like we need an affirmator cards, and you know what I'm saying? So as you can tell from the title of the video, y'all, this is gonna be a quick cash stuffing video. We will have a larger cash stuffing towards the end of the week, but we just make it do with what we got, baby, okay? Period. Let's bust this deck down in half. Options, okay? We got options, baby, okay? As I open the abundant possibilities of my life's past, I'm reminded I always have unlimited options. Life is a buffet, and I allow myself to choose whatever makes me the happiest without limiting thoughts like, you can't put mac and cheese on your baked potato. Why can't you put mac and cheese on your baked potato? If you want it, baby, go for it, okay? Like my nails. Y'all like my nails? Look, I'm trying to get into the holiday, you know what I'm saying, the little Halloween, Scream spirit already. Oh, look, we're still on the right page, okay? Let's see what we got left over. Queen, she has $2 left over. Macaroni, of course, that's empty, you know what I'm saying? She sucks me all the way dry. Little baby, nothing. Gas, nothing. Fast food and snacks, business, nothing. There is a dollar left over in household, self-care. We have $10 left in self-care, and I think that's it. Blessings has nothing. We are going to put this to the side for right now. So, starting with the queen. The queen is not gone. The queen is still here, baby. Okay? So, $20. $20 for la queen. That is me. So, $20 for me. How y'all doing? I hope y'all have had a good week last week and a good weekend. Mackenzie F, baby, please say the baby. Don't forget the F, baby. Okay? She's getting $10. She's getting $10. Trance, of course, he's getting $10 too, because that's my little baby. Little baby. He gonna always be my little baby. Gasolina, we are doing $60 for gasolina, so that's 20, 40, and 60. This cash stuffing may not add up, y'all, because I got into the bank and the lady was like, your numbers is not adding up. And I was like, for real? She was like, I still owe you $40. And I was like, just give me fives. So if y'all see me struggling, don't mind. Fast food and snacks is getting nothing, okay? Sis need to eat the food that's in the house, okay? I have a hard time doing that. Business, we are doing $10. We're doing $10 with business. Household, we're going to get $20 because household is very important. Let's do fives for household, okay? 5, 10, 15, 20. Somehow I forgot something. I don't know. But hopefully I get this right and I don't mess up anything. or get this as close to right as possible. So household, then we have self-care is getting nothing. We don't need to do no self-care. If we do, we could do it at the end of the week. And blessed is getting $8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. $8. Let's recount that just to make sure, because these dollars be sticking together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we are getting $8 for blessed. Was going to put $45 into birthdays, but I had already took money out of my miscellaneous envelope to give Jaden for his birthday. My son, he got a tattoo over the weekend, and then I gave him another $70 today. So I'm going to actually put that $45 back into miscellaneous. So that's 20, 40, and 5. So we'll put 45 back into miscellaneous, and I'll update my trackers off camera today. So we're going to put 40 and then 5. So now we're back up to 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 105, 106, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got 110 back in miscellaneous. And thank goodness that I had the miscellaneous envelope. I didn't put anything in birthdays. I don't know why I wasn't putting anything in birthdays, but I was able to go on miscellaneous and get that out. So is there any, okay, and then our savings account, we're going to put $15 into our savings account. I did take $20 out of savings also to give him, so we are going to put $15 in savings. So that's a 10, and then that's a 5. So now we have 50, 70, 90, 100, 110, 115, 16, 17, 18, $119 back in savings. You know what I'm saying? Thank goodness that we have the money to be able to go in here. But I always try to be mindful. Like, I don't just dip into my envelopes unless I really have to, or, you know, unless it's something super important. So we got that out of the way. So now we're going to go into our emergency fund. I did not have a lot of money to stuff this time, but I had a little something. So, you know, we just work with what we got. So for emergency, we have $301. So we're going to add what is it? $10 to that. I need all my money to be in the right direction. I don't know what's going on with me, y'all. What is going on with her? She got money all, you know what I'm saying, all over the place. Let's see. Did I add the $10? Because I'm tripping just that fast. But we'll know when we count in 1, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 280, 285, 290, 295, 300. Oh, I ain't put the money in there. Wait a minute. 150, 70, 90, 210, 230, 50, 70, 80, 90. Okay, yeah. So let's add the $10. We didn't add the 10, did we? No. Because it's still 301. So now we should have 311. We added 10 to the emergency fund. You know what I'm saying? We just making it do what it do. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Then tickets. What is tickets? Tickets and fees, we are adding $10. So let's add $10 to tickets and fees, baby. So we got 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Wait a minute. Oh, yeah. Wait a minute. I paid. Oh, there, yeah. I was about to say, I know there. Look, this is what's hiding in there, y'all. So, I did. Let me update you guys on tickets. So, I did take $40 out of here and paid a ticket that if I didn't pay it, it was going to double. So, I just went ahead and paid the $40. But now we have 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 135, 140. So, we have $140 in tickets. You know what I'm saying? We get up there. Okay, so kids, so we're going to do, and then in my envelope, wait a minute, the queen, So I'm gonna add $2 to my envelope. So I'm gonna add 1, 2. So now we have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So now we have $34 in the Queen's envelope. Now we're going to go to the kids binder. No, that's buffer. So we're going to the kids binder. This go around Kenzie Baby. We are adding $2 to Kenzie Baby. So now she has 20. Hold on, let's fix this, okay? Because we can't do the jacked up monies, okay? We can't do the jacked up monies, y'all. We can't do the jacked up monies. Mackenzie now has 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Mackenzie has $55. Her eyes would pop out her head if she knew that she had $55 and she would be wanting to spend it right now, okay? That's why I don't even be telling her. That's why I don't even be telling her. We're adding $2 to Trance, little babies. 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. And he has 39. Why is you stuck, little thing? Okay, and then for Big Baby, he went into his envelope. He actually cleaned it out again, but we're going to put $2 in there for little Big Baby. So all he has is $2. We'll put that in there. Ray Ray and Stinky Man, I believe they have $10, and we're going to add $2 to theirs. So now they have 10, 11, 12. And you know, with Jaden, he is older, so sometimes he has things he needs or whatever, and you know, I just let him, you know, go for it. I've been encouraging him to add money to his envelope, but he hasn't really been doing that. And you know, he'll figure it out, okay? We're adding to Christmas. I was about to say, this better be right. You know what I'm saying? This best to be right. Y'all, please excuse me for being all over the place. What is this? 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, yeah. So we're adding 20 to Christmas. Okay, we can just add this in the back. So we're adding 20 to Christmas. We got 50, 100. We got 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. Yeah, 250. 1, 2, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 335, 340, 345, 350, 355. So we had 355. Wait a minute. No. We got 1, 2, 250, 270, 290. Wait a minute. How much did we have? Starting out, is it money still in here? Because you know how I do. Oh, a whole $100. That's why I wasn't adding up, y'all. What is going on with me? This $100 is already in the bank. That's why it's a placeholder. Okay. So we got 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 435, 440, 445, 450, 455. So we got 455 for Christmas. Y'all, what was I doing? What was I doing? All right, 455. I didn't have I did add $50 in my buffer, like left it in my bank account, but I did not add any cash. But the cash that was left over in my wallet is what I'm going to add to my buffer, baby. So that's this money right here. So that's 10, and then that's $2 in the back. Let's count it up. We got 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 10. Is that ripped? Oh. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 110, 20, 130, 140, 145, 150, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. So we have $166 for our buffer. Keep on growing, baby. And then I wanted to show you guys something really quickly before we go. So, oh, where is it? Oh, goodness. So, I wanted to show you guys my placeholders. We will definitely be doing a cash, like a condensing video, but I wanted to show you guys my melanin shmoney, and these are available on my Etsy. I have been selling some of these, but I thought that I would show you guys my melanin money. I'm not sure if everyone knows that I even have an Etsy shop, but yes, sis is plugging herself, okay? 100s are here. I don't believe these are laminated, but I'm in the process of laminating the ones that are not. So these can come laminated or not. These can come, these are the $100 ones, or you can get them plain. You don't have to get them laminated. It's up to you, baby. These are the ones that are not laminated here. These are the melanin ones. These are not laminated, you know, so if you guys want some placeholders, please feel free to check out my shop. I do need to adjust my shipping because my shipping, I don't know, it's been going crazy, but I'll definitely do that. Galaxy themed one. So we just have, you know, really cute galaxy theme stickers on these, and you know, support your girl because I'm trying to go to Africa, okay? I also will be adding some new items to my shop, so just stay tuned for that. And if you have not joined the shmoney team, baby, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification so you could join the shmoney team and be like us, getting your shmoney together. All right, love, peace, and hair grease, y'all.